Welcome to Language Master Education Barampur, Odisha. We provide training on programming languages like C, C++, Core Java, Advanced Java, and PHP also. Today we are going to start the programming content. By default, the Java package is contains lang.star lang default package. You can ignore this. आमे लिखि परिबा आउ छाड़ी परिबा ऑटोमेटिक से now simple every program start with the public class name. Let us I am writing program 5. So if I will save this program, so I will write program 5.java. Right now there is a main method public static void and main. This is the string arguments. The arguments can be any type and bitwise operators we will discuss. Okay, now this is the body of the program. Okay, so we have already learned so many things. So simple, I want to do a simple calculation. Let us, I want to calculate the simple interest. I want to calculate simple interest. So what is the formula of simple interest? PTR by 100. So what is P? P is equal to principal amount. Okay, what is T? T equal to time period. And what is R? R equal to rate of interest. Say let us 3.5. So where is the wrong? Mu koti wrong kali kuho. Now I want to calculate simple interest. SI equal to P into T into R. Okay, by 100. Where is wrong? Where I have done wrong? Tell me. What is? Exactly, your observation is correct. So I have declared the variable is t and small t and small r, but I have written here capitals. So it is a strongly case sensitive. I told you Java is a strongly case sensitive. So we cannot. Yes, we have to define the data type of double SI equal to double SI. Now once you have declared, then we can print the value system.out.println. कौन लिख परिया? Simple interest is was SI. Okay, this is the program. Like this, the different type of programs you can write very easily. Now compile, Control 1. Once successfully compiled, then you can execute this. Once successfully compiled, then you, yes, now getting the result. See, here we are getting the result, right? We are getting result, simple interest value. But if I will run this code several times, not one time, two time, three time, 100 times or 1000 times, I will get the same result because the values are constants. The values are constant, right? So now we will learn later how to input value to these variables, like in C, scanf, in C++, C in, like different different programming language having different type of input commands. In Java, there are different type of input operations are there that I going to show. So different type of input operation. Input operation in Java. So what are the way to input data? जिमती तुमको खाया को इच्छा है बोले कौन खाइब गछ लता चुबे दवा कि नहीं आमे खाइबा भलो भलो खाना चिकन बिरयानी मटन बिरयानी सो सेमती आमे जेताले डाटा इनपुट करियार अछि कोन करिया सो कोन प्रोसेस अछि कोन प्रोसेस अछि जो द्वारा कि आमे डाटा इनपुट कर पारिया लेट अस स्टार्ट फर्स्ट इज one is called command line input. Number 2, using buffered reader class. Number 3, using scanner class. Number 4, using I controls. Okay, reading data from file, reading data from database. So these are the 6 different way for input the data to the user interface. User interface रे डाटा शो करेबा पाई हमको ये 6टा प्रोसेस अछि आउरी अछि बट बेसिक मु कहि. सो फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट. कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट माने कोन? वी कैन रीड फ्रॉम द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, वी कैन रीड फ्रॉम द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट. ओके, this command line argument, when we will compile and execute the program, at the same time we have to give. So how to give? Listen very carefully. Today we will complete the command line argument, then we will go for next operators. Bitwise operators are remaining, that we will discuss. So what is the command line? See, there is a string argument method is there. String args, that is called string args. So args is nothing but a variable name. I can write here k, I can write here p, any variable name. String, variable name, square bracket. So this square bracket treat as a array type of variable, also called subscripted variable. Let us overview concept on a subscripted variable. Now coming to the overview concept of subscripted variable. We will discuss, there is a complete lesson. Subscriptive variable means a variable that allow to store more than one value, called a subscripted variable. A variable which allow to store more than one value. It allow to store more than one value. Yes. How it will store? Now this variable having multiple cell, so that it is called subscripted. Subscripted means multiple script. Script means number of a cell here. Okay, so let us, this is a, my variable name is a, and the first value is 0, first index is 0, this is 1 index, this is 2 index, this is 3 index, this is 4 index. Like this the number of index is there. माने आमे जदि फास्ट वैल्यू दबा, सो फास्ट वैल्यू आसी कोठ रहइबो, फास्ट वैल्यू आसी 0 सेल. नेक्स्ट सेल वैल्यू कोडी आसीबो ना सेकंड सेल, देन नेक्स्ट सेल कोडी आसीबो ना थर्ड सेल. सो these are called the index. आमे कोन कहबा को, these are called the index. इंडेक्स कि नाम घर नंबर कोठो छे. अभी देखो लॉजिंग होटल जागो दियो, बड़ बड़ होटल जागो, रूम नंबर 1, रूम नंबर 2, रूम नंबर 3, माने कोन? So easily identify होबा पाई. So let us, I have stored some value 100 here. In first cell I have stored 100. मन कर मु एबे प्रिंट करिया को चाहूची. So how I will print it? I can print system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println कोन ना, to print any message on the screen. कंप्यूटर को हमें इंस्ट्रक्शन दबा, तमे स्क्रीन रे प्रिंट करो. So केमि प्रिंट करियो? So system dot out dot println. Then a variable name a of 0. એટલે કોણ ହେଲା ના 0 સેલ રે value ଅଛି કેતે? 0 સેલ રે value ଅଛି 100. We have given a value 100 in a 0 cell, so output is 100. Output होबो 100 ହେଲା ना. In a general variable कथा कहबा, मन कर मु लिखिबे int k equal to 50 ହେଲା. आउ थरे मु लिखिबे k equal to 100, आउ थरे मु लिखिबे k equal to 500 हेले. k ର value एबे केते? If I want to print the value of k, the k value is final 500. How 100? How 50? Now that value is overwritten because that contain one cell. This is a one memory. This is one memory. In one memory we have stored first time 50. Next time I have stored 100. Next time stored of 500. Now it is 500. But this type of variable called a subscripted variable. This subscripted variable have number of a cell, so we can store a different type of value. Say first time 100, next time 200, third time 50, fourth time 30, next time 4, next time 10. Like this we can store number of value. How read केमती करिबा? How we can read? By using a of 0 first cell, a of 1, a of 1 हला 1 1 दा कोन ना 1 होची तार इंडेक्स, 0 होची कोन ना 0 होची इंडेक्स. दिस आर द इंडेक्स. 0 माने फर्स्ट सेल, 1 माने सेकंड सेल, 2 माने थर्ड सेल, एज सो ऑन. समस्त बुझी पारल ना? हेतरे कोन थाए ना नंबर ऑफ सेल थाए. According to the cell address, the value is reading from the memory, so that it is called subscripted. So subscripted variable pone two types achi: single, double, multi. Three types: single, double, multi. We will discuss later. Let us clear this concept first. Now say this is a string data type and kp I have defined. This is a parameter that can read the value. Now I want to display all these values of this. System dot out dot println kp of 0. कौन आसीबो कहलो kp of 0 बोले? System dot out dot println kp of 1. कौन आसीबो? ना किछि आसीबो ने एबे. एबे कौन आसीबो? हम वैल्यू देई ना आसीबो कोन? वैल्यू इनपुट करले आसीबो. हेले केतले इनपुट करिया ना रन टाइम रे. ओके. सो एरर कोन अछि इठी? system system dot out dot printl system out println हां कोन बोलो? Oh, okay, completed. Now run error. What is error? Na array out of bound index error. Pocket रे पैसा नहीं, पैसा खुजुचे कुआडे गला बोली मिलियो. So we have not entered any value and I try to reading the data. Now how we can read data? See how we can read data. Come to command. In command prompt I have stored my file in D drive, D column, moving to D, then changing to Java class 5. So now here this is my file. My file is program 5. Here my file is program 5. See, this file is program 5. Now I have compiled Java C program 5.java. Compilation already over. Now executing the program. So Java program 5. I have to give value for 2. Let's I have given class. I have given some number. Given two values. One is for 5,000. Number 2 is one value name given and another is value given. Name and value it is printed. Hello, no. Now I want to run one more value. Ramesh. I want to give some other value, like some value, and then within double quotation Ramesh. Get him? Like this I will give more value. Then हला कौन प्रॉब्लम हला किछ नै. ये हला फर्स्ट इंडेक्स, ये हला सेकंड इंडेक्स, ये थर्ड फोर्थ रे अछि. आमे रीड करने बट वैल्यू अछि. ये हला कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट. कमांड लाइन माने व्हेन वी कंपाइल द प्रोग्राम वी आर गिविंग वैल्यू. हम तो सर आई रेकिंग हो एटा जीयूआई रेटिंग हो. आउ थरे कोन डॉस प्रॉम्प्ट जाई रे कंपाइल करियो कि नाइ तो भी हे पारी. गो डिफरेंस मत कहइतली से दिन फर्स्ट दिन जते बेले जाभा कंपाइल करियो. जाभा कंपाइल को जाई रे प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर पैरामीटर कंपाइल नै. जाभा एग्जीक्यूट कलार प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर पैरामीटर को ऑन करियो. हला प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर पैरामीटर ऑन करियो, अप्लाई करियो. ओके हला अप्लाई. नाउ एक्जीक्यूट आसीला. बेस नेम रहिबो तापर वैल्यू दवा. स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू लेट्स आई गिवन क्लास सम नंबर. I have given some number. Yes, we are getting there. Right. Now compile for second time. Given some space. some number, comma, some value, some number, comma, some value, some value. Yes, we are getting comma also. So like this way we are getting value. Now coming to, let's say I want to read two number. I want to read two number and calculate their sum. ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଲି int a equal to kp of 0, okay, and int b equal to kp of 1, and int c equal to a plus b, and system dot out dot println. Sum is plus c. Hello. I am reading data here from the command prompt. Command prompt मारे 0 index रो आउ थरे 1 index रो दीडे डाटा एबे जिना में देले ना वैल्यू कोन गुटे वैल्यू देले, गुटे सेकंड वैल्यू देले, गुटे थर्ड वैल्यू देले हला. बट मने रखो ये सब वैल्यू गुडी को स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट रे से नै छी. काहे के नै छी ना तार डाटा टाइप अछि स्ट्रिंग. All the values are reading in string because these all value are treated as a string only. String नहीं थी लगी से string रखी छे. एबे इठी कोन करछे हमें ना हमें इंटीजर रखी छे. हबो की केबे हबो because our string data type integer की न हो. बुझ पाछा ना ना compile to error. Why to error? Because this is string and this is integer. बुझल ना. ये हूँ पुओ पिलाटा आपको शाढ़ी टी दब पिंधे बोली कि पिंधि पुओ पिलाटा शाढ़ी टी पिंधि पार से कथा है. सो केपी इज ए स्ट्रिंग हेले कौन करवा को ना कन्वर्ट करिया. दैट इज कॉल्ड टाइप कास्टिंग. कौन करवा हमें टाइप कास्टिंग मींस चेंज डाटा फ्रॉम वन टाइप टू another type. That is called type casting. कौन कौन प्रोसेस अछि बहुत गुडी प्रोसेस अछि. मु गोटे खाली गोटे दिबा हला. कन्वर्ट स्ट्रिंग टू इंटीजर. स्ट्रिंग टू इंटीजर कन्वर्ट करिया पई ना देयर इज ए मेथड इंटीजर integer dot earc pass int. एटा कोन ना इट इज ए प्री डिफाइंड लाइब्रेरी क्लासेस हला. इंटीजर डॉट पार्सिंग गोटे प्री डिफाइंड वर्ड. इंटीजर होची प्री डिफाइंड इंटरफेस डॉट पास इनटू होची तार मेथड. एटा द्वारा कोन होबो ना कन्वर्ट हिज स्ट्रिंग रो इंटीजर हो माने एनी टाइप ऑफ वैल्यू इंटीजर रो कन्वर्ट हो. नॉट ओनली स्ट्रिंग बट आल्सो एनी टाइप कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम string or any type value to integer, right? So हम एटी कोन लिखिबा ताले integer dot parseInt लिखि दबा ए परिबो श्योर हे परिबो. कन्वर्ट कर दियो I capital integer dot parseInt ना तमे पचारियो सर आमे किमि जानु ए सब अछि. अरे मु बुझेले जानियो नल बही रे लिखाइ छ पढिले जानियो. एबे कौन कले हमें ना केपी होची स्ट्रिंग. केपी डिफाइन करा है स्ट्रिंग. नाउ दिस स्ट्रिंग वैल्यू converted into integer so that it is storable to store integer. Now there is a no error. Now we can get it. The value there command prompt 20 60. Now this 20 plus 60 is result. You are getting. This is the way to read the data from string to integer. तमे कोई सर मु दीले डेसिमल वैल्यू माने फ्लोट वैल्यू मोर तार प्रोडक्ट दरकार कोन करी. सो टेक फॉर फ्लोट. फ्लोट पाई सिमली कोन अछि ना कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम नंबर 2 कन्वर्ट string to a string or any type value to string or any type of value to float or a decimal. केमती ना float dot PARSE parse int parse float हला आ गोटे कौन अच्छी डबल डॉट पार्स डबल कौन एटा ना दीज आर द प्री डिफाइंड मेथड्स फ्लोट डाटा टाइप अच्छी फ्लोट डॉट पार्स फ्लोट डबल डॉट पार्स डबल कौन ना ये जो जो ए गुडी कोन लाइब्रेरी क्लासेस प्री डिफाइंड व्हिच इज यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट एनी टाइप वैल्यू माने हमर स्ट्रिंग रु इंटीजर को स्ट्रिंग केमिति थाए देखो मु लिखिबी स्ट्रिंग r इक्वल टू मु लिखि 45.67 ताको मु डीजा ऐड करी गुडे नंबर साथी पॉसिबल केबे इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ए स्ट्रिंग कैन नॉट ऐड विथ ए नंबर सो जदि हम को कन्वर्ट करबा इंटीजर बा स्ट्रिंग रे सो इट इज पॉसिबल सो आई एम राइटिंग फ्लोट a1 say p equal to float dot pass float say array of 0 है similarly float q equal to float dot pass float array of what चला मुझे कौन नहीं कि एरे नहीं तो आपको कमेंट कर दूँ चला दिस इज कमेंट मीन्स व्हिच विल नॉट एग्जीक्यूट मोर केमिति ना दिस इज कॉल्ड मल्टी लाइन कमेंट हला सो कौन हबो ना बैक स्लैश हां हां float float parse float float oh ho हाँ हाँ चला so I changed it parse float now change to now I want to find out the say I want to find their product चला float r equal to p into q no problem and we can print r hela compile now execute so given some value 15.3 and one more 69.6 I've given two value and find its a product right so in this way we can convert the value from string to float or also we can write double dot parse double to convert into double. What is not in that case it will write it will convert into float data will convert into integer yes float is converting into integer so without any problem you will write int also convert right so it is converting now execute value some value so 15.67 and I have given 25.63 so it is but you could not load the compile of 15.67 and of 14.56 okay so we are getting only product in a integer form because it is integer हाँ decimal पर point काटी दो that is integer हला so एठी हम कौन ऑब्जर्व कले ना float डाटा को कन्वर्ट कले इंटीजर हम कहलो काई सारे इंटीजर डॉट पार्सिंग ना सेम कैटेगरी लाइक see people coming across the data type of byte short int long byte then short int long float double So these are only numeric category, and you know this is the smallest one. Then next is short, next is int of float are same, long and double having same size, that is 8 byte. So the smallest value of data can be stored in a long बड़ माने छोट वेरिएबल रो वैल्यू माने गोटे छोट कंटेनर गोटे मग डी पानी अछि गोटे बाल्टी रे हम रखि परिया ना रखि परिया आराम से हिमिदी दीज आर द स्मॉल साइज फ्रॉम लो टॉप टू बॉटम एंड फ्रॉम हाई टू बॉटम टू टॉप आम जिते जा व्हेन विल गो फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप द डाटा मे चांसेस फॉर लॉस बाल्टी पानी थी गोटे मग रे रखियो सो बाल्टी पानी जी गोटे मग रे एलियो बोले कौन हम मग रे जी कैपेसिटी सी से रखियो आ बाकी कौन हो वेस्ट ही सेम सो इफ विल गो फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर then data may process loss data may loss but if you will go from lower to higher then there is no problem for storing. So एडी हमर situation कौन हला now this is p and q so we have calculated some value but we converted into int. We can also convert it into double. For this no need to typecast. Jodi if I will write double no need to typecast because it will store the means it value will store without any problem. Okay, so we are getting the double formatted value 5. But if you will store it long or int then data the fractional part will be erased. Okay, so you have learned this a little bit concept of typecasting. And one more, if someone will ask sir how will convert a integer into string, let's say my value is one integer value. Okay, so now coming to let's say I have stored in integer int k equal to some value. I want to store with some other value string r equal to let's say Harish. So I have stored these two. I want to add this. I am writing string p equal to k plus r. Is it possible? Because string and integer how they can add? It is not possible. Error. Okay, because string and integers cannot be add. So what to do? Now convert this integer into string. Now to convert this there is a special function string class. In string class this function error. So there is a special function मन रख function जगह सब string dot value of o capital string dot value of means the value will be converted into string dot value of r is our integer. r टा कौन अच्छी इंटीजर फॉर्म रे अच्छी k टा वन करिया k टा इंटीजर अच्छी ना. So string dot value of k. So now कौन है लाइडी ना k is converted into string and now we can use print ln how कौन k define p define here था p q से define here था माउंटेन से वेरिएबल नहीं होता है ना. Now no error. Okay, for first number we are getting double result, for second number we are adding number with string. So number with string केमिति possible है पाला because आपको string dot value of ए सब गुडी को मैं पुणे पठे देबी तमे सब नोट करियो हला. So this is overview. Okay, this is the way for reading data from the command line. Command line माने this is a string variable and string variable we are given so many values. From these all value we can read by using runtime. To reading the data runtime, we will use this process. To convert the value integer, we will use integer.parseInt, which will convert the value from string to integer. To reading the data float value, we can use float.parseFloat. To reading the data any kind, to convert the integer value into string, so we will use this convert integer to string. So this type casting is most important while working with the different type of value, right? Next, what the next? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now given 1 minute time, you can ask. Now we'll go for some conditional operator. We'll go for conditional operator. Conditional statement number 1, number 2 model. If condition, then statement. If condition, then statement. Else statement. Condition true hela, true part, else false hela, false. There is a two part. If condition is true, then this part will execute. If condition is false, then this part will execute. Like this, there are two different parts of it. Right? Now coming to third model. Model number 3. Say if condition true, I want to execute multiple statements. So I will write statements, multiple statement and bracket. There must be a bracket. For one line, we does not require any bracket. For more than one, we require bracket. Else if one more condition, then again brackets. For statements, for multiple statement, else statement. Like this is called if else ladder or multiple if else. Like this we can go. So how it work? See here in first case, if this condition is true, first case, then this statement is executed. If condition false, nothing to be happen. Here, if the condition is true, then this statement will execute. If condition false, then else will execute. This part will not execute. So we move to the else. Similarly, if the condition is true, then this part. If false, then go to next condition. Again, if false, then go to else. If all conditions are false, then else statement will execute. If this is true, let's say this is true, so this part will execute. No else will execute. If condition true, यदि कौन सी condition true है then that part से execute करेगा. Rest of the part will not execute. Right? In this way, we can use if-else statement for comparison. Let us do a small task. Okay. Creating one more new file. Public class program 6. My question is to input two number. Using command line and find highest. Okay, this is my question. Now public starting void main string args taken args. Now read the data from the command line. Int a equal to integer.parseInt args of 0. I'll save this file first. Then program 6.java. Right. Now coming to same way, int b equal to integer dot parsing of args of 1. Now I have to find if a greater than b, then print ln greatest say else. Print ln is also now compile it. Okay, now run this code. I have given 15, I have given 16. So greatest is 16. Okay, now running the code again. I have given 25 and given 15. Okay, we must give some space after base name. If you are using this text pad, you will give space. Finish. So we are getting the greatest 25. ये बुद्धि पालन किए बुझी पालनी पचारा देखो आपको रिलेटेड मुझे क्वेश्चन देबे तो मु टास्क कंप्लीट करी पठायर अछि इफ कंडीशन हवा देखो args 0 माने ये होची एरे नेम दा ये होची कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट रो वेरिएबल नाडा हला 0 माने फास्ट जो वैल्यू दा देले से वैल्यू दा आसिला 1 ओके फास्ट हम जो वैल्यू दा देले मन कर 15 दबा 15 फास्ट सेल रोइला दैट इज कम्स टू 8 मन कर आउथरे 20 दबा 20 विल कम्स टू हियर बी ए रो वैल्यू केते हला 15 बी रो वैल्यू केते हला 20 देखो ए रो वैल्यू कौन करबी ना ए वैल्यू आ है गिवन 15 बी वैल्यू केते देबी लेट्स से 20 चेक करो ए रो वैल्यू 15 बी रो वैल्यू 20 कंडीशन ट्रू ना फॉल्स सो कंडीशन इज फॉल्स इफ फॉल्स मन कर मु 150 देबी कंडीशन कौन हो ट्रू हो ना कंडीशन इज हियर ट्रू ट्रू हेले कौन प्रिंट करे द ग्रेटेस्ट विल प्रिंट दैट इज 100 लाइक दिस इक्वल 1 and we have to give value during command line माने during execution when I will run this code अब देखो base of name अच्छी then give some space then give 58 then 99 to give 99 municipal so similarly there will be so many questions are there related to the if condition. I hope that I will send you some questions. You will try to do these all questions answer. Now coming to the one more variable, say int c equal to pass int arguments of ये सब लिखले कौन हम जान ना ये सब जिते तुम प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिस करियो ना सेते तुम कौन हम ना अधिक रु अधिक आइडिया नॉलेज बढ़ियो प्रोग्रामिंग नॉलेज बढ़िले तुम प्रोजेक्ट करि पारियो नॉलेज कंपनी प्रोग्राम 7.java java name extension yes I want to find out the greatest input 3 number okay 3 number using command line and find the highest okay so find int c equal to integer dot pass int of argument 1 0 1 2 argument 2 third value now find greatest if a greater than b and a greater than c, then greatest is a. जदि नाइ else if जदि a जदि greatest हेलानी, if a value is more than b and c, then a is greatest. Else if b greater than c, then display b is greatest. If b is not, then else give three values 15, 25, 52, 25. आइला greatest is 52. केमनी हला देखो how it is working so बुझे दूची. Let's say there are three different values we have entered. Let's say I have given first time 15, next time 56, and third time is 25. Okay, so how it will work? First a value is 15 and b value is 56. Condition true na false hela? This is false. First time only condition false. Now coming to the second block. Now 56 b value, c value is 25. Condition true, so it will print 56. Right? Like this way it will work. Now coming to one more value. I have given 50, then 20, then 30. Greatest is 50. Like this, the if condition will work multiple ways. Okay? So there are thousands of logic, thousands of question related to if condition. So we will not cover all these thousands of questions here. I have given only the concept how to use this if condition, and later on we will go for some more programming. Okay, and those who are interested to continue C language, who will come, there will be a new batch will be start. Okay, very soon. In C language we will learn these all programming. In Java we will learn only the concept. Now coming to one more function called switch case. Okay, now we will go for switch case because there will be no sufficient time. We will complete the switch case today, and tomorrow we will go for that B2 operator. I forget to speak. First up, I will see switch case. So it is a multiple branching statement. It is a multiple branching statement. According to the switch value, a particular case will exist. How it is written? According to the switch value. Switch say value or expression. Okay. Now coming to the case 1, colon, then statement break. Case 2, colon, statement break. Like this we can write the multiple case. जेति की इच्छा सेति लिखिया. लास्ट को कौन रहिबो ना केस n. तुम जेति की इच्छा सेति लिखो. Then go for the statement break, then a default, then statement, okay, then close bracket. See, it is alternative to switch case, alternative to if else. जेमती if else रे आमे गोटे पर गोटे केस आमे कंप्लीट करी जाउथिले, means we are moving one by one. This is also according to the switch value, a particular case will execute in a switch case. Manakara, let's say I have given a value 1. I have given a value 1. So case 1 will execute. What are the statement we will write? These all will execute and break this block. This is the block. Now, if I will write 2, if I will write value is 2, so it will move to case 2. let's say I have 10 cases. I have 10 cases. So I have given a 10. So last one will execute. If I have given 11, go to default. If I will given 20, go to default. If I given 50, go to default. Because जो वैल्यू आमे देइचे से वैल्यू भीतर जदि एग्जीक्यूट होने केस देन डिफॉल्ट को default case will execute when no case will execute. Default case केबे execute होबो when no case will execute. If no case will execute, then default case will execute. And default statement break is not required because that is the last one. So and terminate immediately. मन कर एठी ब्रेक काटी दबो कोन होबो. If you cut this break here, then मन कर case 2 तमे execute कलो, automatically it will move to case 3. 2, 3 both will execute. Yes, because there is a absence of break in 2 case 2. मन कर एठी break अछि आउ 3 को जीवन सी 2 रे का break. So when you will go to case 2, it will execute the statement and break. It will not move to case 3. Right? Similarly, every statement, every case required a break to terminate that block. If you remove break, then automatically it will move to the next case. है जदि केस न दब से ऑटोमेटिकली से नेक्स्ट केस ही पड़ेगा. आई एम शोइंग यू प्रैक्टिकली हाउ इट वर्क. int a equal to first argument of 0. I want to read a number. I want to print it in word wise. Okay, so I am writing switch a. If case equal to 1 0, then it will print 0. S equal to 0 and break. If case equal to 1, I am writing S equal to 6, 7, 8, single digit. Okay. Now after completion of this, we want to print system.out. You entered plus s out and plus class codes. Define as string s. Now coming to the value, we have given 5. So coming to 5, you entered 5, right? If you enter 20, then you will display error message. Okay, please enter a single digit number. Please enter a single digit number. Means it is moving to which one? Default case. If any one of the value will enter, then its value will display here. But we can write it everywhere. This repeat statement, we can write this repeat statement print. So simultaneously it will work. स्टोर कले प्रिंट कले स्टोर कले प्रिंट कले ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲି ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଥର ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି ବଟ୍ ଡ୍ରବ୍ୟାକ୍ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ନା ସିଏ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲା ମୁଁ 20 ଦେଲା ପରେ ଇଏ କହୁଥିଲା ୟୁ ଏଣ୍ଟର୍ଡ ଏବାଉ ୟୁ ଏଣ୍ଟର୍ଡ ଦେଖିବ ହେଲା ମନେକର ଏବେ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବା 5 6 ସୋ କ'ଣ ଦେଲା ୟୁ ଏଣ୍ଟର୍ଡ 6 each time होतला मनेकर मु एडी ब्रेक काटी दोची दिया हला ये तीनटा ब्रेक काटी दोची आउ 6 दोची वैल्यू हला कंपाइल ना गिवन वैल्यू 6 कोन हला you entered 6 7 8 9 why because there is a no break if no break it will execute to get till get break जो ब्रेक मिलियो से पर्यंत से चली हला this is about your huh? default रे case 9 default रे मतलब 8 हेले ब्रेक काटी दा देख नंबर गला 8 कौन है 8 9 प्लीज एंटर ए सिंगल डिजिट नंबर default हेले एग्जीक्यूट हेला इज कलर so we have to write the break in every terminate the case. This is about the switch case. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please mail me